Haftai Lava, and this is a general video on emphatic and descriptive pronouns. Emphatic and descriptive pronouns are necessary to memorize because you're going to need to know which one to use and when. For example, the pronoun I will take on two forms, the descriptive form, O, O-U, and the emphatic form, A-U, A''U. Both forms of I mean the same thing, but how you phrase your sentence is going to determine which one you'll use. If you want to put the emphasis on the action or the main idea, you'll use a descriptive pronoun. Descriptive pronouns are used before a verb or a main idea. Again, a verb is an action word. For example, u'ofiafia e winga iletene. I'm happy about the girl. O is a descriptive pronoun because it comes before the main idea, fia, or happy. This sentence puts the emphasis on happy as opposed to the pronoun or the doer. Emphatic pronouns are used after a verb or a main idea, and they're going to emphasize the pronoun or the person doing the action. So, u'afiafia au, e winga iletene. I am happy about the girl. Fia is the main idea. We use the emphatic form au to emphasize the pronoun, which is the doer or the person of the action or the main idea. An exception to this rule is when you begin your sentence with a noun phrase like I am, or au, instead of a verb phrase. Verb phrases usually have tense markers, whereas the noun phrase will begin with the particle o. So, for example, wa'o fia e winga ilitene. I am happy about the girl. You have the noun phrase o'a'u, o fia, and then the rest of the sentence, which we'll talk about in later chapters. So remember these rules. Emphatic or descriptive pronouns can be used in verb phrases. Descriptive pronouns are used before a verb or a main idea. This form emphasizes the verb or the main idea. Emphatic pronouns are used after the main idea or a verb in a verb phrase. And emphatic pronouns are used in noun phrases following the form O plus the emphatic pronoun. Learn and memorize the verb phrases that use emphatic and descriptive pronouns.